Good day, sir. This is Lawrence from JGL Company. I'm calling today to ensure getting the best volume of service. How has everything been going with your service, sir?
What the hell do you want?
I'm here, sir, to make sure that you're receiving the best service possible. So if there's something wrong, I want to help resolve it. Can you tell me what's been going wrong?
I said, what the hell do you want?
I hear your frustration and I truly apologize for any issues you've had. I'm here to help and find a solution. If you can let me know what specifically you're concerned about, I'll take care of it right away.
Be sure you've got enough of this fucking porn call up your pissing ass and get me off this.
I can hear that this situation is upsetting for you, and I'm really sorry you're feeling this way. Let's work together to resolve this as quickly as possible. Could you share a bit more about the issue, and I'll make sure it's addressed.
If we pay the fucking bills now, get the fuck up of my full line. Do you understand?
I completely understand the situation, and I apologize for the inconvenience. Let's go over your account and ensure everything is in order. I'll take care of this for you right now.
No problem. You call we end.
Thank you for your patience, sir. I'll take care of everything on my end. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for using JVL, and I hope we can provide a much better experience going forward.
Hi, thank you for calling. This is Mark. How can I help you today?
Can you transfer me to Citibank America?
I understand you need to reach Citibank America, and I'm sorry for any confusion. Unfortunately, I can transfer you directly, but I'm happy to assist you in another way.
I'm sorry.
Um, I know this may be frustrating. I wish I could help with that transfer, but I'll do my best to guide you to the right resources.
As said, can you transfer me to Citibank America?
I understand your request, and I apologize for the inconvenience. While I can't do the transfer, I'll make sure you get the help you need.
Why can't you transfer me to Citibank America?
I get how frustrating this must be. Although I can transfer you directly, let me help you with the next best step to resolve your issue.
We cannot do that, sir.
I understand this isn't the answer you were hoping for, and I appreciate your patience. And I'm here to support you and find a solution that works for you.
Hi, thank you for calling. This is Janus. How can I assist you today?
Okay, the case here is that we have a registration form and it is said that we are basically a committee for 1 month only. And on this registration form, um, there is nothing about email. We will not file it by email. But we have to call to cancel, and also we do not have to receive light email.
Okay, I understand this is frustrating and I apologize for any confusion regarding this registration form. Let me look into this for you and I clarify everything.
So basically, we have a registration form that said that we are registered for 1 month, um, and now you are charged 3 months throughout credit card. And what do you think? Do you think this is reasonable?
I can hear how this situation is concerning and I sincerely apologize for the misunderstanding and I'd like to review the details of the form for see how this charge occurred and find a fair solution.
And are you looking at the registration form?
Yes, I'm reviewing the registration form right now. I understand that it is important to you and I want to make sure everything is properly addressed.
Yeah, in the registration form, it says step 1, choose a monthly subscription. It says 1 month or 1 month or so.
I hear your concerns and I'm truly sorry for any confusion in the wording. So it seems like there may have been a misunderstanding regarding the subscription terms. Let me explain how this works and make sure you're fully informed.
No, 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 no. Don't try to pull me back.
I completely understand that you're upset and I truly want to resolve this for you. I am not trying to avoid the issue. I'm here to offer you a solution. And if you'd prefer, we can offer a refund for the first month to help clear this up.
Well, I'm going to tell you. I'm not going to argue with you. We're going to give you 1 month refund, and that's it. If you have a problem, you can take us to court.
So I understand this is a frustrating situation and I want to make sure we resolve this to your satisfaction. I'm here to help and would be happy to issue the 1 month refund right away. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.